Hello everyone, today I am going to teach you singular and plural. What is singular? Singular means one. Did you understand? Singular means one. Example, apple, pen, car. Singular means one. Example, apple, pen, car. Next, plural. Plural means more than one. More than one. Example, apples, pens, cars. Singular, plural. Apple, apples. Hat, hats. Car, cars. House, houses. Pen, pens. Baby, babies. Let's do the exercise. Let's fill it together. Cat, cats. Dog, dogs. Book, books. Pen, pens. Boy, boys. Alright student, today we learn singular and plural. Singular means one, plural means more than one. We also did some examples and a small exercise together. So remember, practice more at home and try to make your own example.